In this video, I'll show you how to create a Jotform order form. Start by signing into your Jotform account. From the dashboard, click Create Form to start a new form. Next, choose Start from Scratch or select an order form template if you want to save time. Then choose whether to create a classic form or a card form. After that, the form builder will open. Click Add Form Element from the left panel, then open the Payments category and drag a payment field, such as Stripe, PayPal, or Square, onto your form. Now configure your payment gateway by connecting your account and adding the products or services you want to sell. Enter the product names, prices, and any available options, such as sizes or quantities. Next, customize the rest of your form by adding fields like the customer's name, email address, phone number, or shipping information. Rearrange the fields as needed to create a smooth checkout experience. Once your form is ready, click Publish, copy the form link, or embed it on your website. Finally, submit a test order to make sure the form, payment gateway, and order details are all working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Jotform order form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.